All right, fellas, listen up, because what I'm about to share could be the key that unlocks the results you have been chasing in the gym. Today, we're diving deep into the science of macronutrients for fat loss and muscle gain. And trust me, this isn't your typical bro science breakdown. I've spent countless hours digging through the research to bring you the real deal on how to optimize your nutrition. Whether you're looking to finally shed that stubborn body fat or pack on serious muscle, understanding your macros is the game changer you've been missing. But here is what might surprise you. It is not about finding some magic ratio on a random fitness forum. The truth is way more personal. And once you grasp the principles I'm about to share, you'll have the power to customize your nutrition for your own body and your own goals. Now, before we jump in, a quick but important heads up. Everything we discuss today is for educational purposes only. Always consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian before making any big changes to your diet. They know your personal health history and can give you the best advice. All right, let's lay the foundation. Whether you're cutting down or bulking up, calories are king. You can't cheat physics, but you can make those calories work smarter for you through strategic macro distribution. For fat loss, you need a caloric deficit, eating fewer calories than you burn. A good starting point is a 500-calorie deficit per day to lose about a pound a week. But here's a pro tip. A better approach is to aim to lose between 0.5% to 1% of your body weight weekly. If you weigh 200 pounds, that's 1 to 2 pounds a week. This method scales with you and helps preserve that hard-earned muscle as you get leaner. This is where most guys mess up their cut. They get obsessed with the scale dropping fast, but rapid weight loss often means you're losing muscle too, and your gym performance takes a nosedive. So, let's prioritize. First up, protein. This is non-negotiable. Aim for 0.7 to 1 gram of protein per pound of your body weight daily. If you're already lean and fighting to stay that way, you might even push that up to 1.5 grams per pound. This protects your muscle when you're in a deep deficit. Next, fat. And guys, don't fall into the trap of going zero fat. Healthy fats are crucial for hormone production, including testosterone. You need at least 0.3 grams of fat per pound of body weight, even on an aggressive cut. Plus, let's be real, fat makes food taste better, which makes sticking to your diet a whole lot easier. After you've set your protein and fat, the rest of your calories should come from carbohydrates. I know low carb is trendy, but hear me out. In a deficit, carbs are your best friend. They fuel your workouts, help you maintain intensity, and support recovery. So what about muscle gain? The game changes a bit. You want a modest caloric surplus, about 100 to 200 calories above your maintenance level. This translates to gaining about 0.5 pound to 1 pound a week. The keyword here is modest. Going crazy with calories just means you'll gain more fat than muscle. We want lean gains. Your protein goal is the same, but now you have more room for carbs and fats. A great target is 3 to 5 grams of carbs per kilogram of body weight to really fuel your training and maximize growth. Here's an advanced strategy: carb cycling. This means eating more carbs on your training days and fewer on rest days. The idea is to fuel your body when it needs it most and improve insulin sensitivity on your days off. But listen, carb cycling is the icing on the cake. Don't even think about it until you've mastered the fundamentals. The hierarchy of importance is simple. First, total calories. Second, hitting your protein target. Third, getting enough fat for hormone health. Fourth, filling the rest with carbs. Master these before you add any complexity. And look, I want to talk about the mental side of this. Society often pressures men to always be getting bigger. But sometimes, a focused cutting phase is exactly what you need to reveal your physique and feel incredible. On the flip side, if you're lean but struggling to grow, you have to embrace a proper bulk. That means accepting a little fat gain in the name of building serious muscle. It's a mental shift, but it's essential for long-term progress. Don't forget the other pillars. Recovery and sleep are massive. The perfect macros won't do a thing if you're only sleeping 5 hours a night. Your body builds muscle and regulates hormones while you rest. Stay hydrated too. And remember, consistency is everything. It's better to stick with a good plan for months than to jump between perfect plans every few weeks. Track your progress with photos and measurements, not just the scale. This stuff takes time. Be patient. Meaningful changes don't happen overnight. Trust the process, enjoy the journey, and stay consistent. The work you put in today is a gift to your future self. Thanks for watching, guys. If you got value from this, hit that like button and be sure to subscribe for more no-nonsense fitness advice. See you in the next one.